hustling, getting it, and they need some help with saving on shipping or some tips and tricks on shipping, um, you know, I'm here for y'all, man. So I just want to help y'all out. But some different ways that y'all can save on shipping is that USPS is 9 times out of 10 gonna be your cheapest shipping way. Like 9 times out of 10, anything that you're shipping, especially under a pound, USPS is gonna be the cheapest way for you to get that out. If you're doing first class, which is anything under a pound, there are gonna be 4 shipping tiers to shipping in first class. You got 4 ounces, 8 ounces, 12 ounces, and 16 ounces. And the reason that that's important primarily is because let's say that you're shipping something that weighs 3.5 ounces and your box weighs 0.6 ounces. Now your total weight for your whole shipping package is going to be 4.1 ounces. But if you put down, just because you thought you saw 3.5, how much your item weighed, and you just assumed that your package wasn't going to weigh over the 4 ounces, and you pay for the 4-ounce label, now you're going to get charged for that next tier label. You're going to get charged for that 8-ounce label. And whether you're shipping through eBay or Amazon or some online store, Mercari, Etsy, anything like that, they're gonna charge them, and then they're gonna charge you in return. So you're gonna get charged. The USPS is gonna charge eBay or Amazon or Etsy or whoever, and then they're gonna charge you for the overage, and then they're also gonna charge you probably like a little small processing fee. And then if you get it shipped directly from like either your house and it's linked to your eBay or your PayPal, or it's linked to any type of bank account or something like that, then they're just gonna send you a bill, either gonna invoice you in the mail or send an invoice to your PayPal or your bank account, whichever it may be, if you have it linked to your online store. But yeah, so definitely get a shipping scale. Like, they're really cheap. That's what mine looks like. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's like $20 on Amazon, so save me a lot of time and a lot of money. Another thing is, if you don't have an eBay store, Amazon store, Etsy store, consider getting one, because a lot of those stores are going to give you like discounted rates. Even if you got it directly from USPS, you'll still get a discount for using the shipping labels from eBay, Amazon, Etsy, Mercari, or whatever they may be, even Facebook. But if you don't have any of those stores and you do primarily like just online shipping from your website or something like that, then using Pirate Ship, if you haven't heard of that, go and sign up for pirateship.com. It's totally free. It takes about like 5-10 minutes. Super easy. And they're gonna give you discounted rates from the USPS, and they're really good. Like, I use Pirate Ship myself, and if you have a eBay or Etsy store or something like that, you can actually link that to it, and you can get some additional savings on some stuff. But I'm gonna give y'all some examples. So let me share my screen. So wait, give me a second. So in addition to doing that, they have a lot of cool stuff. Track a package. You can schedule a pickup from your house if you want to. The coolest thing I think is honestly like the stamps and supplies, but the postal store, the shipping supplies. So you go here. You can really see, like, you just hit the category right here for the free shipping supplies, and all the boxes, I don't know if some of y'all are going to the post office and getting them, but all your boxes that you want, any priority mail boxes, are going to be on here. You can get labels, like all this stuff, and put 48 per page so we can see everything real quick. But yeah, all these boxes, all this stuff, like all this is free. Like, I don't know if y'all are looking, but it's, $0. Yeah, sorry if my hands are a little shaky too, but yeah, so $0 for all this stuff. And you get it mailed to your house, and then, like I said before, you just go all the way to the top, and then once you finish it, then you can just click and ship. You can make your label here if you want to, or go to Pirate Ship, or if you sell on eBay, Amazon, whatever it may be, you can do that. But yeah, and then you can just schedule a pickup from your house. Like, you don't even have to go to the post office. You just schedule a pickup and get it picked up from your house. Another thing too that you can look at, what you can find out is if you go down here all the way to the bottom, right here, the Postal Explorer. I already have it pulled up, so I'll go to it. But the Postal Explorer, it has a price list on here. So like, you know, anywhere in the U.S., you know, you can just, and you can go back on the website over on the other side, or you can go to your local post office and find out like the different zones. But for first class packages, like as far as like weight in ounces, and it's like a lot. I mean, it goes all the way from, you know, media, library, business, priority mail express, like, and it has it for the amount of weight for pounds locally, and then like the different, I'm not going to get into how the different zones work, but you can go look that up. But it tells you like exactly how much it's going to cost, so you can always go here and double check your work. But like I said before, I'll show y'all this real quick as well. They send it directly to your house. So like, you know, you order them and they'll bring them to your house. Like they'll deliver all these boxes, all this for free, you know, to your crib. They have the padded flat rate envelopes. More padded flat rate envelopes. We got regular flat rate envelopes. And all that stuff they deliver for free. So definitely take advantage of that. Alright, just like I said, here's the USPS.com. There's a couple quick things, you know, you can do on here. If you go here to your quick tools, you can easily do calculate a price. So, you know, let's say that we're shipping from down here in Alabama, and we're going to hometown, VA. And if you have any of these right here, you can click that. You can say when you plan on mailing the item, you don't have to necessarily click that. You can do the times, but we're just mainly looking for the price here. So what you want to do is you want to go, if you have flat rate boxes, what you plan on doing, you can do it like that. But you can also go here and you can calculate it based on shape or size. So I'll do that. After that, then you just enter in the weight. So like I said before, if you're doing first class, we'll do first class, but the different tiers are going to be 4 ounces, 8 ounces, 12 ounces, and 16. So let's just assume that it's the smallest amounts, like a 4 ounce little box or something. And we'll just say package. So as you can see here, it's gonna give you all of them. Priority mail express is super expensive, but it'll have all the rates. So once you get to first class, you see over here how first class is $3.95. So let me show on piraship.com. I just, you know, put some same zip codes, but I just made up an address right here. But let's say we're shipping to James Mack, 223 Sign Lake Drive in Virginia, shipping a small rate, and I just made up some dimensions, but we're still doing the 4 ounces. You can still click that if you need to. You get your rates. It's gonna come up. So you're gonna see here, it's $284 for your package. When you use the website itself, it's $3.95. So that's normally how that goes. If you use Piraship, you can save on some money, whether the item is a little bit bigger or smaller. As long as it's the same weight, you can save a little bit of money. So there you go.